On a fireball that we call the Sun, some 93 million miles away, there is a 5 billion year old nuclear furnace generating phenomenal amounts of energy. The energy is fueled by fusion, which converts hydrogen into helium with an attendant loss of mass. The mass lost is converted into energy, as described by Einstein's famous equation. Some of the energy generated is electromagnetic and is radiated out into space at the speed of light. A minute amount of this energy falls on the Earth, and the visible part passes through the atmosphere to fall on my garden in 36 Belbroughton Road. And a small amount of this is converted by my solar panel into electrical energy, which charges up a lead-acid battery. On a fine day, some 400 watts falls on my panel. My panel generates about 20 watts, so sadly, only 5% of the solar energy is usefully converted. The battery can feed electricity to my EcoShack for powering LED lighting and a laptop. It also feeds a 12-volt pump to drive the water feature in my pond. The pump converts the stored electrical energy into mechanical energy to generate a small jet of water. Interestingly, the water then experiences three more energy changes. Its kinetic energy, provided by the pump, is converted to potential energy as it attains a modest height. Then this potential energy is converted back to kinetic energy as it falls back under gravity, picking up speed to be converted finally into mechanical energy as it dashes down onto the stones. And so, a minuscule proportion of the Sun's phenomenal energy output is put to use. In this case, as it happens, doing something completely useless. But it does provide a good demonstration of the principle of conservation of energy, which states that energy cannot be generated out of nothing, nor can it be destroyed. It can, however, be converted from one form to another. The principle of conservation of energy has stood the test of time. No experiment has failed to support it, and so it is accepted as a solid theory. Until, of course, something is observed that goes against the theory, and that's what scientific methodology is all about. And that's where I come in. If I detect any deviation from the principle of energy conservation, I'll be as famous as Newton or Einstein. I have to report that so far I've not detected any breakdown in the principle. But there's still time.